Hello everyone, am I audible? Am I audible? Am I audible? So we are starting up with the paper solving session, the fifth one. I know you have your exam today. So on behalf of Intelletics, we wish you all the best for your geography paper. So we start with the geography paper. So refer to the image and answer the question that follows. First, what does the black line in 4932 indicate? What does the black line in 4932? And your options are A. Open scrub, B. Dry land, C. Broken land, D. Seasonal stream. Yes, Dahlia Jason. Hi dear, good morning. So what does the black line in 4932 indicate? And the correct answer for this question is seasonal stream. Correct. Delia and Kavya are right. The black line depicts a seasonal or non-perennial stream. We'll go quickly. I wouldn't take any names so that we can go fast and solve this paper. Okay, friends? Question number 2. Refer to the image and answer the question that follows. And the question is, what is the direction of dendrite from Dan? And your options are A. Northeast, B. Northwest, C. Southeast, D. Southwest. I want the students to answer fast. And the correct answer for this question is C. Southeast. Dan is located at the northeast corner, moving leftwards and downwards indicates southwest direction. Okay. Now coming to the next, refer to the image and answer the question. The question is, what is 0.277 in 4833? And your options are A. Spot height of 277 meters, B. Spot height of 277 centimeters. C. Spot height of 277 millimeters. D. Spot height of 277 kilometers. Hello, Abhinav. The correct answer for this question is A. So, in this particular image, point 277 and 4833 indicates spot height of 277 meters. Friends, remember spot height is the height in meters of a particular point on the ground indicated on the map by a black dot followed by the recorded height. So, point 277 and 4833 depicts the spot height of 227 meters. Going ahead to question number 4, refer to the image and answer the question. What does point 2r in 5032 indicate? A. The relative height of the tank is 2 meters. I guess the answer itself is evident here. B. The relative height of the tank is 2 centimeter. C. The relative depth of the embankment is 2 meters. And D. The relative depth of the embankment is 2 centimeters. And the correct answer, which is evident because of the wrong animation, point 2r in 5032 indicates the relative height of the tank is 2 meters. The relative height is the height or depth of a feature with reference to the elevation of the surrounding land. This means it is calculated from the ground level and not from the mean sea level. It is depicted by the letter R preceded by a number. Thus, 2R written along a tank depicts the relative height of a tank as 2 meters. Going ahead to question number 5, refer to this image and answer this question. What is the main occupation of the people living in the area shown on the map? And your options are A. Mining, B. Agriculture, C. Fishing, D. Sheep rearing. So, what is the main occupation of the people living in the area shown on the map? And the correct answer for this question is agriculture. If the area has large tracts of cultivated land, the dominant occupation is likely to be agriculture. Going ahead to question number 6, refer to the image and answer the question. This is the image, and the question is, which is the most important town in the above image? A. Idarla, B. Malwa, C. Dantrai, D. Dhan. So, what should be the answer for this particular question? Refer to this image and answer. And the correct answer for this question is C. Dantrai. Buildings or permanent huts are close to each other, forming clustered compact settlements, gradually merging in each other, forming bigger townships. So, correct answer is C. Very good, Kanak and Kavya. We go to the next question, number 7. Refer to this image and answer the question. The question is, what is the black vertical line between 49 and 50 easting? And your options are A. A line of latitude, B. A line of longitude, C. An easting, D. A northern. So, what is the black vertical line between 49 and 50 easting? And the correct answer for this question is B. It's a line of longitude. The lines of latitude or longitude are shown as flat straight lines drawn east-west and north-south respectively. The black line between 49 and 50 eastings runs north to south, which depicts the line of longitude. Very good, Smile. Very good, Kanak. Very good, Kavya. Question number 8. Refer to this image and answer the question. The question is, what is the four-figure grid reference of a rock outcrop? And your options are A. 4832, B. 4933, C. 3248, D. 3349. So, which is a four-figure grid reference of rock outcrop? Hi, dashing gamers. Hi, Bata. And the correct answer for this question, the four-figure grid reference of rock outcrop. Any guesses for question number 8? The answer has to be A, 4832. Okay. In the four-figure grid reference, the first two figures are the eastings while the last two figures are the northings. Okay. So here the first two figures eastings are 48 while the last figures northings are 32. So that is the grid reference number here is 4832. Going ahead, refer to the image and answer the question. This is the image and the question is, which drainage pattern is seen in 5438? And your options are A. Radial, B. Trellised, C. Intermittent, D. Dendritic. So, my dear students, my dear friends, I'm deliberately avoiding to talk in between because we hardly have time. Okay, so the drainage pattern observed in 5438 is B. Trellised. Due to alternating layers of hard and soft rock, the streams and tributaries join the main river at right angles. Now, question number 10. Refer to the image and answer the question that follows. And the question is, name the settlement pattern in grid square 4833. And your options are A. Nucleated, B. Compact, C. Scattered, D. Isolated. So name the settlement pattern in grid square 4833. Is it nucleated? Is it compact? Is it scattered? Is it isolated? And the correct answer for this question is C. Scattered. Permanent huts are far from each other and are typically found when there is sparse population. Going ahead, question number 11. Where are the various forest conservation methods that can be undertaken? A. Afforestation and stopping indiscriminate felling of trees. B. Large scale of deforestation and overgrazing. C. Allowing the animals to graze in the farmland. D. Maintaining records of forest areas. And your time starts now. So, which are the various forest conservation methods that can be undertaken? And the correct answer for this question will be A. Afforestation and stopping indiscriminate felling of trees. Some forest conservation methods are indiscriminate deforestation should be prohibited by law. Second, reforestation of the deforested areas. Third, prevention of overgrazing and illegal logging. Fourth, use of alternative source of energy and raising awareness. Now, question number 12. Name the type of climate experienced in India. A. Tropical cyclonic type. B. Tropical monsoon type. C. Temperate monsoon type. D. Subtropical monsoon. Dashing gamers, कौन सा क्वेश्चन आपको समझा दूं बच्चा? Oh, my fault, my fault. Okay, you got it, I suppose. And your time starts now. So name the type of climate experienced in India. And the correct answer for this question is tropical monsoon. The climate of India can be summed up as tropical monsoon type because of the immense influence of the monsoon winds. Question number 13. Which state in India is the first to experience the onset of the monsoon and the last to see its retreat? A. Andaman and Nicobar. B. Kerala. C. Maharashtra. D. Tamil Nadu. So, which state in India is the first to experience the onset of the monsoons and the last to see its retreat? And the correct answer for this question is Kerala. The volume of rain from the Arabian Sea branch is almost 3 times more than that of the Bay of Bengal brought to Kerala, located in the southwest of the peninsular India. It is the first state to receive the southwest monsoon rains. Question number 14. Which of the following is good for tea and jute cultivation? Retreat यानी वापस आना, dashing gamers. वापस जब आता है ना, जाते जाते वाला. When the monsoon is about to get over and फिर से वो it shows its presence, that is the retreat here. So question number 14, which of the following is good for tea and jute cultivation? A, is it Kalbai B. Lu. C. Western disturbance. D. Monsoon showers. And the correct answer, which is good for tea and jute cultivation. And the correct answer is Kal Baisakhi. That is, Kal Baisakhi is the one which brings dust with heavy rain accompanied by thundering and lightning. This wind is beneficial for tea and jute cultivation. Question number 15. Dashing gamers, but आप गलत गए. Please keep this point in mind. Question number 15. Which of the following factor is responsible for the rises in the temperature of the mainland of Dash? A. Southward migration of the sun from the equator. B. Northward migration of the sun from the equator. C. The pressure belts shift. D. The land breeze blows towards the sea. So, which of the factors is responsible for the rise in the temperature of the mainland? And the correct answer for this question is northward migration of the sun from the equator. Question number 16. Why has Thar developed into a desert? A. It has no cloud cover. B. It is near the sea. C. It is on the windward side of the Western Ghats. D. Aravalli is parallel to southwest monsoon wind. So why has Thar developed into a desert? And the correct answer for this question, that why has Thar developed into a desert, is D. Aravalli is parallel to southwest monsoon wind. Thar, situated in western Rajasthan, is a comparatively low-lying arid region of lamped by the Aravalli Range in the east, which is parallel to southwest monsoon winds. It receives less than 25 centimeter annual rainfall and as such is referred to as the desert. Question number 17. There is heavy rainfall in the western coastal plains. Give reason. A. Presence of Aravalli mountain range in western India. B. The eastern coastal plains have no intercepting barrier. C. Presence of Deccan Plateau. D. Presence of Western Ghats. So there is heavy rainfall in the western coastal plains, and what would be the reason for this? The reason for the heavy rainfall in the western coastal plains is presence of the Western Ghats. The high Western Ghats form the moist air to rise quite high, And this is the reason behind the heavy rainfall in the western coastal plains. कनक बच्चा आप गलत गए हो. Keep this point in mind. Dashing gamers, आप भी इसमें गलत गए हो. Please keep it in mind. Now, question number 17, sub question B. In June, Bhopal is warmer than Kolkata. Give reason. A. Due to its continental location. B. Due to Kolkata's proximity to the sea. C. Bhopal is closer to the Tropic of Cancer. D. Himalayan hill station Darjeeling is closer to Kolkata than it is to Bhopal. And the correct answer for this question is due to its continental location. So in June, Bhopal is warmer than Kolkata due to its continental location. Coming to the next question, number 18. What is the main reason for the red color of the red soil? A. Abundance of magnesium. B. Accumulated humus. C. Presence of ferric oxides. D. Abundance of phosphates. And the correct answer for this question should be presence of ferric oxides. So presence of iron makes the color of the red soil red. This is the main reason for the red color of the red soil. So presence of iron makes the color of the soil red. Going ahead to the next question. Question number 19. Afforestation prevents soil erosion because dash. A. It reduces pollution. B. It protects the soil from being exposed. C. The roots of the trees bind the soil particles. D. Trees produce fruits. And the correct answer for this question and the correct answer for this question is the roots of the trees bind the soil particles and hence afforestation prevents soil erosion. See, soil erosion is defined as the wearing away of topsoil, and topsoil is the top layer of the soil and is the most fertile because it contains the most organic, nutrient rich materials. One of the main causes of soil erosion is water erosion, which is the loss of topsoil due to water. So, I hope dashing gamers you got your query clear. Question number 20. Which of the following soil is the most suitable for the cultivation of cotton and sugarcane? A. Laterite soil. B. Black soil. C. Red soil. D. Alluvial soil. So, which is the most suitable for the cultivation of cotton and sugarcane? And the correct answer, the soil which is the most suitable for the cultivation of cotton and sugarcane is black soil. Black soil is formed by the disintegration of lava rocks, especially basalt. So cotton and sugarcane grow well in this soil. Going ahead to question number 21. Which of the following factor is responsible for acidic nature of the laterite soil? A. As it is friable in nature. B, as it can retain moisture. C, as the base is leached down from the topsoil. D, all of the above are correct. So which is the factor responsible for acidic nature of the laterite soil? You know, acidic nature makes it unfit for cultivation ideally. And the correct answer for this question is C, as the bases leach down from the topsoil. Laterite soil is formed under conditions of high temperature and heavy rainfall with alternate wet and dry periods, which leads to leaching of soil. Laterite soil is acidic in nature and has less water retaining capacity. The mechanism of leaching involves acid dissolving the minerals found in the parent rock. They produce pH value less than 7 and hence these soils are acidic. Question number 22. Name the process of removal of soluble mineral salts, especially the bases and silica, from the top layer. A. Is it pedogenesis? B. Leaching. C. Lithification. D. Conglomeration. So, which is the process of removal of soluble mineral salts, especially the bases and silica from it? And the correct answer for this question is leaching. Leaching is the loss of water-soluble plant nutrients from the soil. Question number 22. You have to observe this particular image and then answer the question. So please look at this image. Now the question is, which soil is found in the shaded region? I shall show you the image once again. Observe it closely. I take you to the question. Which soil is seen in the shaded region? A. Is it black soil? B. Is it alluvial soil? C. Is it red soil? D. Is it laterite soil? And the correct answer for this question is alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is found in the entire northern plains of India. Now, question number 23b. How is this type of soil formed? That is, how is this alluvial soil formed? A. Formed by the deposition of silt brought down by the rivers. B. Formed by weathering of alluvial. C. Formed by collision of soil. D. Formed by collision of rocks. So, how is alluvial soil formed? So, what should be the answer for question number 23? And the correct answer for this question is formed by the deposition of silt brought down by the rivers. Going ahead with question number 24. Which of the following features is not associated with thorn and scrub forest? A. Xerophyte or drought resistant. B. Evergreen and multi-layered. C. Long roots going deep in the ground. D. Leaves turned into spines. So, which of the following features is not associated with thorn and scrub forest? And the correct answer for this question is evergreen and multi-layered. The features of thorn and scrub forests are: first, they're xerophytic in nature. Xeros is dry, so they're dry in nature. Second, they have long roots to draw water. Third, the leaves are modified into hard thorns and sharp spines. Going ahead to question number 25. What is social forestry? A. The management and protection of forests and afforestation on barren lands with the purpose of helping in the social development. B. The practice of growing trees on farmlands. C. Growing trees by social workers. D. Forest used for social gathering. So, what is social forestry? And the correct answer for this question is A. The management and protection of forests and afforestation on the barren lands with the purpose of helping in the social development. So, social forestry is the management and protection of forests and afforestation of barren and deforested lands with the purpose of helping environmental, social, and rural development. Question number 26. In which vegetation belt multiple layer of trees is found? Kanak Kapil, I do understand you have to leave for the school. On the way to the school, you can just plug in your earplugs and keep on listening and revising, bacha, and all the best. In which vegetation belt multiple layer of trees is found? A. Tropical deciduous. B. Tropical evergreen. C. Thorn and scrub forest. D. Tidal forest. And the correct answer for this question is tropical evergreen. Due to heavy rainfall in the tropical evergreen forests, trees do not shed all their leaves at the same time. Question number 27. Why are Sundarbans so called? A. The abundance of breathing roots. B. A beautiful forest. C. The abundance of Sundari trees. D. Ban of cutting of trees. And the correct answer for this question is the abundance of Sundari trees makes the Sundarbans being called so. Question number 28. What is the other name of littoral forests? A. Rainforests. B. Monsoon forests. C. Tidal forests. D. Scrublands. And the correct answer for this question is tidal forests. Littoral forests are found in the tidal areas along the sea coast and the river deltas, and this is the reason why the littoral forests are also called as the tidal forests. Question number 29. What are the chief characteristics of monsoon forests? A. These regions receive a moderate rainfall. B. The trees shed their leaves in the dry season. C. The trees are found in pure sand. D. All of the above. So, which are the chief characteristics of monsoon forests? And the answer is B. The trees shed their leaves in the dry season. The monsoon forest, which is also called as the dry forest or tropical deciduous forest, open woodland in tropical areas that have a long dry season followed by a season of heavy rainfall. The trees in a monsoon forest usually shed their leaves during the dry season and come into the leaf at the start of the rainy season. Question number 30. Which is the most advanced and efficient method of irrigation? A. Canal irrigation. B. Well irrigation. C. Drip irrigation. D. Tank irrigation. And the correct answer for this question is drip irrigation. It is a type of micro irrigation system which is the most advanced and efficient as it allows the water to reach the roots of the plants in drops. Question number 31. What is the meaning of irrigation? A. The water received by the rainfall. B. The man-made arrangements of supplying water to the fields. C. The storage of rainwater. D. Growing of crops. So, what is the meaning of irrigation? And the correct answer for this question is B. The man-made arrangements of supplying water to the fields. Irrigation is the agricultural process of applying controlled amounts of water to the land to assist in the production of crops as well as to grow landscape plants and lawns where it may be known as watering. Agriculture that does not use irrigation but instead relies only on direct rainfall is referred to as rain-fed. Question number 32. Which of the following is a type of canal found in India? A. Perennial canal. B. River canal. C. Artificial canal. D. Ground canal. So the type of canal found in India is the perennial canal. The perennial canal is an artificial channel that is constructed to carry water to the fields to perform irrigation. The water is taken mostly from the rivers. Priyansh Waghela, the paper is not leaked. We won't indulge into such practices ever. Question number 33. Sprinkler irrigation is efficient but is still not a very commonly used method of irrigation as A. There is no loss of water by seepage. B. It is an expensive method of irrigation. C. There is no loss of water by evaporation. D. Farmers are scared of getting wet. And the correct answer for this question is it is an expensive method of irrigation. So, hence, even though being efficient, it is not a very commonly used method. Sprinkler irrigation is a method of applying irrigation water which is similar to natural rainfall. Water is distributed through a system of pipes, usually by pumping. It is then sprayed into the air through sprinklers so that it breaks up into small water drops which fall to the ground. Question number 34. Why do the inundation canals have limited use? A. They get water only when the rivers are in flood. B. They are taken out from a perennial river. C. They are constructed to store the rainwater. D. It occupies lot of space. So why do the inundation canals have limited use? And the correct answer is the inundation canals have limited use as they get water only when the rivers are in flood. So inundation canals are the flood water canals. They are solely dependent on rainfall for water supply. Question number 35. The climate of India is strongly influenced by dash. A. Hot winds. B. Yellow sea winds. C. The monsoon winds. D. The rivers of India. And the correct answer for this question is the monsoon winds. The climate of India is strongly influenced by the monsoon winds. Question number 36. Dash refers to the seasonal reversal in wind direction during the year. A. Summer. B. Winter. C. Autumn. D. Monsoon. And the correct answer for this question is monsoon. Monsoon refers to the seasonal reversal in wind direction during the year. Question number 37. The monsoons are experienced in the tropical area roughly between dash. A. 10 degrees north and 10 degrees south. B. 20 degrees north and 20 degrees south. C. 40 degrees north and 40 degrees south. D. 50 degrees north and 50 degrees south. And the correct answer for this question should be the monsoons are experienced in the tropical area roughly between 20 degrees north and 20 degrees south. Going ahead to question number 38. Most parts of a country receive rainfall from dash. A. June to September. B. January to May. C. May to August. D. September to December. So most parts of a country receive rainfall from dash. And the correct answer for this question is June to September. So friends, this is all for the paper. I wish you all the very best. We have tried our level best to make you revise till the end minute. I am sure these sessions would help you. Definitely, please, if you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will get to know our upcoming live streams. You can also go to the playlist and watch our videos and keep revising. Thank you so much. Wish you all the very best. Love you all and God bless you.